Sa panahon ngayon, sir, napakahirap maghanap ng mapagkakatiwalaan. Pero talaga kayo, sir, 1,000 pa nga. Talaga mapagkakatiwalaan talaga si sir.
Thank you
sa
po.
lahat. As in.
Hi guys! Again, I'm Alan Marquez, your licensed real estate broker and licensed real estate appraiser. For today's vlog, so I'm here with our valued client, si Ma'am Farah Umayam, na one of our best testimonials here in A. Marquez Realty, na she will be also sharing her experience sa amin na naging investor siya. So, basically, yun, it's been 4 years na, no, Ma'am Farah, na hindi pa kami face-to-face nag-meet in person, no? Na through Facebook lang, ganyan. Pero imagine, ilang properties na po yung na-invest nyo dito sa Philippines, ma'am? Tatlo. Dalawa in Talanay by Rimaven and also here in Azure North. So, ayun, imagine, 4 years na kaming magkakilala, but through Facebook lang. Of course, thank you sa technology natin ngayon na yun nga, through social media, we could interact with our clients and make a transaction even online. So we make it happen kahit through digital lang. But of course, we're very thankful po sa inyong trust sa amin na.
Talaga, sir. Hulog kayo ng langit sa amin, sir. Talaga yung angel.
Ay,
sa panahon ngayon, sir, napakahirap maghanap ng mapagkakatiwalaan. Pero talaga kayo, sir, 1,000 pa nga. Talagang taas na sobra.
Thank you po. So, you're based from Italy, di ba, ma'am?
Opo. Bergamo, Italy po.
Ayun. Tapos, I believe, let's just take a look back na 4 years ago, no? Through Facebook na nga.
Sa Facebook lang din kayo nakilala.
Nakilala. Ayun. Pero syempre, chinek nyo muna yung background namin before you engage with us, no? But right now, imagine, ayan, they do have already their condominium here in Azure North. Oh, so ano ba yung nangyari nung first meet up namin, no, ma'am? So, nung nagkita tayo, syempre, na starstruck ba po ba kayo sa akin, ma'am?
Ang gwapo talaga sa person.
Ay, wow.
Wala sinabi si Piano Pascual.
Ay, wow. Thank you, ma'am. Totoo ba
gwapo
yun?
na, napakabait pa. Oo naman, sir.
Thank you so much po, ma'am. So, yun, tinur lang namin si ma'am for their investment dito sa Azure North. And then, yun, sa amenities. So, we've been to sa clubhouse, sa gym, sa swimming pool, and of course, to your unit itself. And, yun nga, after that, after have an ocular visit sa property, pumunta tayo sa Mabalak. Ayun. Ilan yung properties nyo doon, ma'am?
Dalawa po, sir.
And then, ano yung good news doon? Kasi all throughout our real estate transaction, from inquiry to mga question, concern, tapos even the turnover ng unit, we're there to support and help you, diba? Ngayon, ma'am, the good thing about it, kahit na imagine 4 years na tayo,
hindi talaga personal na nagkikita. Yun, napakasarap sa pakiramdam na yung, eto makikita mo ay yung mga pinaghirapan mo. Talagang totoo yan, nakikita mo nasa harapan mo na talaga.
Yung hard-earned money nyo, you have already your property.
And dahil talaga sa inyo yun, sir.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Talaga naman, 4 years old.
And then also, ma'am, di ba, nung pagkapunta natin sa Talanay, so yung valid tenant natin, na-meet nyo din in person. So imagine that from inquiry, documentation, concern, lahat. And even sa pagpaparent, we're there
talaga mapagkakatiwalaan talaga si Sir.
Thank you
sa
po.
Lahat, as in.
Yun, so up until sa pagpaparent ng unit nila, we're there to help them. So, good thing na in case of like emergency, like, diba, merong paghugutan yung mga passive income nila dito sa Philippines. Diba?
Value sa inyo, Sir, talaga na.
Yun. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po talaga, Sir.
Ayun. Thank you po, ma'am, and we also appreciate your trust with us. So, again, her husband po, si Sir Umayam, shout out po dyan. Sir June Umayam, ayan, Sir, vinlog po namin yung pag-ocular visit namin dito sa Philippines ni Ma'am Farah. So, I hope we could meet you also in person very soon. And malay nyo, Sir, I'll be in Italy to, you know,
welcome na welcome ka dun. Sabi lang po kayo.
To travel and meet also a lot of fellow Filipino na matulungan din natin to get their property investment. So again, ma'am, thank you so much. And it's my pleasure to meet you in face to face. So thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel then. Thank you po, and have a lovely day. Bye!
Ciao, ciao!
Ciao, ciao! Bye-bye!